This video tutorial is designed for elementary students and parents who want to access their digital products for Go Math. I'm going to start off by opening up a web browser. Think Central is most compatible with Chrome or Firefox. In the address bar, I will type in www.thinkcentral.com, and this will take me to the Think Central landing page. Click on Mathematics from the list on the left-hand side of the screen, and then click on Go Math. You will use the drop-down boxes to select your state, the school district, which is Granite School District, and your child's school. If you click the Remember My School box, then your computer will remember this information from now on, and you won't have to fill in these 3 drop-down boxes each time. Your student's username and password are going to be the same thing. This will be their student ID number. Their student ID number is a 7-digit number that begins with the number 9. And then click Log In. This will take you to the Think Central homepage. Here on the student and parent homepage, there are 3 main sections. We're going to start with the section that says My Library. Go ahead and click on My Library to access any of the digital textbooks that are available and some activities as well. I want to start off by showing you the Go Math Student Edition. Let's go ahead and click on the Student Edition, and you'll notice that it opens up in a new window. You're going to select the HTML5 ebook version of the student book. The HTML5 ebook is the version of the student book that is compatible with an iPad. You will notice that there are some icons on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the icon at the top that says Contents. This will open up your table of contents. If you are trying to find a certain page or a specific lesson in the student book, then you can do this 2 different ways. You can type a specific page number in the Go To Page box and then press the green arrow, and the page will open up. But there is also another way to find a lesson. Let's go back to the table of contents, and you can use the blue arrows to expand the units and the chapters. Let's go to Chapter 1. If your child is on Chapter 1, Lesson 4, find Lesson 4 and click on it. Clicking on the lesson will open it up. You will notice that there are speaker icons because the textbook will read to you. However, there is not a print icon because the pages in the student book cannot be printed. Since the student edition opened in a new window, then you can just click on the X on the tab itself, and this will close the student book. You will notice that there are 3 other books in the library. There is a standards practice book that provides additional problems for your child to solve, a reteach book if your child needs additional practice with certain math concepts, and an enrich book if your child needs a little bit of a challenge or some extension activities. Let's take a look at the standards practice book. Click on the standards practice book to open it. Up at the top, you'll see a green button that says Table of Contents. Click on that. In the Table of Contents, you can go to any lesson by clicking on it. In the standards practice book, you will notice that there is an icon that allows you to print the pages. The pages in the standards practice book, the reteach book, and the enrich book can all be printed. Another resource that is available are the iTools. The iTools are online manipulatives and tools like counters, base 10 blocks, and fraction bars that can be used to reinforce math concepts. MegaMath is another fabulous resource that you have access to. MegaMath is a series of math games that let students practice various math concepts. Finally, I want you to notice that there's also an e-glossary available in the My Library. So that was a quick tour of the My Library section. Anytime you click on the words Think Central in the top left-hand corner of the screen, then it takes you back to your home page. The next thing we will look at is our Things to Do section. So go ahead and click on this section, and the Things to Do section opens up a list of your child's assignments and their due dates. The next assignment that is due shows up at the top of the list. There are a variety of assignments available that teachers can choose to assign to students. To see the assignment, click on the assignment name, and the assignment will open in a new window. When you're through with the assignment, you can press on the red X to close the window. If you click on the button that says Old Assignments, then this allows you to see a list of previous assignments. And you can click on the Things to Do button to get you back to the list of current assignments. And remember, if you click on the words Think Central, then this will take you back to your home page. Finally, we're going to go to the My Scores section. Go ahead and click on this section. The My Scores section will list scores of online tests if your child's class is taking their Go Math tests online. For each test, you can see the title, the date that the test was finished, and the score your child received on the test. To see the test results, click on the test name, and the test will open in a new window. If you click on the blue arrow by the words Expand All, then all of the questions will open up so that you can see the completed test. You can see each question on the test, and you can also see which answer your child selected. Each answer on the test will be marked with a small icon. A green circle with a white check mark shows that the answer was correct for that problem. A red circle with a white X shows that the answer was incorrect for that problem. When you're done examining the test, press the X in the top right-hand corner to close the test. And when you're done examining all of the test scores, remember that if you click on the words Think Central, that this will take you back to your home page. On the home page of Think Central, you have seen three main sections. The My Library section is where you can access all of your child's Go Math resources. The Things to Do section is where your child's teacher may be putting assignments. And the My Test Scores section is where you can locate any online test scores. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope that you enjoy using the Go Math resources on Think Central.